Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about PDF viewer. Right click here, add Devexpress atom, new atom, and you can add a simple form and name it PDF form. Go to toolbox and search PDF, drag PDF viewer here, and first of all dock in parent container. After that, create ribbon and create PDF viewer bar, create interactive form bar. After that, create comment bar, and here is the PDF viewer, interactive form, comment. These three bars are added into our PDF form, and now you can change the text like PDF form, increase the size, and start position is center screen. Save it, go to program and change dev form to PDF form. Save it, run the program. So open any PDF file that you want. Now here, zoom out, zoom in option, or you can zoom in by 500, or you can select any value or press Ctrl and move the wheel of the mouse for zoom in. You can also find a word like 5, so also you can find like expense, so expenses here highlighted. You can print the page, set the properties, number of copies, current page, or you can save as file. You can save this file with another name or with another type, and then you can also select page like second page, but in this file there is only one page. And in comment section, like zoom in, and you can also highlight the text, like so text is highlighted. You can also strike through, like you want to cut this one, and look at here, underline text, so you can underline text in PDF. So you can also view the page thumbnail like this one. This is the only one page in this file, but you can see the view here, the page thumbnail, or you can attach attachments. You can attach any other files by using this section. So this is all about PDF viewer in Devexpress, which is very amazing feature. You can add this PDF viewer into your desktop application, desktop software, and which is very good idea for your client and for you to add extra feature without knowing the detail of PDF. Thank you for watching this video.